Longtime viewers of my channel may remember a series I had many moons ago called Cabin Life. We are here again. It is that guy's birthday. He turned 40 this year, like I did. So we're gonna go down to the lake and see what the deal is. There used to be like porta potty type things here or something with like 3 doors, I think, but that's since changed. Guess somebody really needed to take a shit over there. It's like, what happened? If it might focus. There you go. The eagle on the shit door. I don't know. That might not breathe very well. But here is La Lac down this way. And we'll see if it is lacking or not. Oh, dinner!
Oh, watch
Why
out
is
for
it swimming
goose
away?
Shit on the floor.
Okay.
Watch your feet for goose shit. I forgot about that.
There's dinner. They're
Yeah,
getting
I
away.
Stepped in goose shit.
Here's one of these crazy air guys.
Oh, there's a lot of goose. Holy crap.
Watch out for the goose shit.
Yeah, watch out for the goose shit.
Oh, they're all swimming in a row.
But oh, look to the right. There's a whole bunch of them more there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, down in there, yes.
Oh no.
I think someone in the house saw us.
The lake right now is
Maybe it has a motion sensor. Oh, it does.
It's a motion sensor.
Huh.
oh, it's a GooseMaster. Oh wait, it's a GooseMaster.
Oh,
GooseMaster?
isn't that cute?
Shitting on
yeah.
that.
I guess that's actually really popular.
Somebody made that sign. That's great.
Yeah.
That's how they prevent them from shitting, I guess.
Goosebusters! Yay!
Like when there's not a lot of algae, you can swim.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, I think
There's
it's
a lot,
little too much algae, so it's not safe for kids to go in for sure, and dogs because they drink the water and they get sick. And
Oh yeah, I've heard about that happening before.
There's a lot of dinner over there. I think we should catch them. So now we're on the shaky dock. This video is sponsored by Labatt Blue, by the way.
who's on the raft?
And what kind of stinky beer do you have?
Shh, look on the raft. There's a heron on the raft.
Yes,
See the
there
heron?
is. Oh, he just flew.
Oh.
Nicht geflogen, nicht geflogen.
Yeah, he just flew away like Lenny Kravitz.
I want to get away. I want to fly away.
That's enough about Guns N' Roses.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, look at all the dinner. I love dinner.
What is that? Feathers in the water? What is all that crap?
Cocaine.
Goose shit.
Goose shit, cocaine.
I just said, what is that? Is that a slide into the ocean? Or the
Yeah.
lake? Wow.
Yeah, it is.
Jeez.
What is the name of this lake again?
Pog.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say.
Yeah.
It's
So,
legend-
Pocahontas, close enough.
yeah, it was like some Indian chick like died or something in the lake or something. I don't
Oh,
know.
so they named it after them. Great.
Something like that.
That house
Oh,
looks pretty
yeah,
cool.
it's going.
Here's a boat. A boat
With
with a
RPM
Mercury 115.
And look, the RPM gauge, it doesn't work apparently.
Sometimes they actually just show what they last did or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sometimes they'll just sit there and they'll zero out.
Must be the
When
China electronics.
Key's in there, you can turn it on, find
Yeah.
out.
A key's in there, it's an open invitation to just take it.
Yeah,
Fuck
exactly.
with the guy's boat.
Get the skip! So we're back at the Cablin and, you know, drinking the beer and all that. And I think the barbecue is going to start soon. And I heard that we're going to have chicken and stook. And we're going to have veggie burgers. Dun dun dun!
Only in Connecticut, hon.
So we're just having a chaser. We're going to head up. I don't think I showed this last time. I got the shank.
Wow.
They got a fan. It's a whole house exhaust fan.
Yeah, it's still. It's been
Yeah, we just had it on. We're going to turn it back on so you get the startup sound.
You can see the roof ridge if you look carefully enough.
Yeah, there you go. Wow.
What?
Yeah, that takes a while. That's pretty well...
Lubricated, definitely.
Yeah. All right, we'll leave that to spin down. Look, still moving. It's been like a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
It's amazing.
Jeez. That is pretty cool, I gotta say. I wonder if there's just air current that's actually moving it.
Yeah, maybe. I'll put it down and we'll wait a little while.
While we're waiting, there's a Lasco fan. This is not my place to plug things in or touch things or turn them on. Sharky touches things. But...
Yeah, ever since I was a kid.
But anyway, oh, it's digital or something.
Oh, lovely.
I don't like that kind, but I'm not going to touch nothing, but it's here, and here's the back of the fan. And I don't know if there's a label somewhere. I'm not seeing it. All right, let's give this thing a shot now.
Yeah, it should make a difference now. Oh, yeah, now it's stopped.
Okay, so now we'll turn it on.
Are you facing it well?
Yep, that's good.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's a fan. But it certainly works nicely.
Oh, it does.
I can definitely feel that. That's real nice to have. I wouldn't mind that.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Sorry, everybody. Bathroom. It's just a bathroom, but there is a beer sign in the bathroom. So this way you can piss away your Raquel. Here's the bathroom fan.
Not much.
Yeah, it's just there.
Oh, is this like a heat one?
I don't know. I think I heard the motor change.
Oh yeah. It is a heat.
Oh, cool.
And then so this must be a. Oh, cool. Yeah, cool.
Nifty. So I'm pretty sure I showed the microwave last time. The Genius. That's a Panasonic trademark, and there you go. They had the Genius all the way back in
1984.
1984.
That's actually a turntable.
Oh, look at that light, man. That probably is the original damn bulb from '84.
Probably.
Fucking brilliant, this thing. And the VFD. Oh, it shows up so much
Brighter than it is in
brighter
person,
and
yeah.
bluer on camera, but I would love to just nuke something for a minute just to do it, but beautiful piece of equipment. Listen to the quality of that. Wood grain, vents on the top even.
Yeah, because nowadays if you see that, no, it's a bad
Himalayan pink
appliance.
salt. You know, there you go.
Curious about one thing. Oh, you know, never forget the safety button on our old microwave was like right there.
Yeah.
That was insane.
Yeah, they're built into the what
The
do you
door
call it
latch.
there, yes. And the menu. So this way you know what to program and do. So if you want to just pause that there, you can see. You're an apple.
Hey now, you're an apple. Get your fruit on, no game. Hey now, you're an apple. You're some lame sauce, so lame.
We're gonna come outside for a minute and take a look around. There's the barbecue. Oh, there's Frart. And I think hummus, which probably sucks because mine is better. Sharky Chow.
Well, I don't know about that because everything you make always sucks, Jay. So
Yeah, that's true.
sorry, though.
Only in Connecticut, huh? Oh, they got lights. These have been around. Check that out. That's, oh, I hope they turn these on later. Like I said, it's not my place to be touching shit, but we'll take a walk around because brackets for who knows, a hose connection, with the shut off, and probably to blow the system out is my guess.
Yeah, that would make sense actually.
Yep. Because this place is not open in the winter. And there's a flag. And here is the AC.
Maybe lots of grief.
Yep, made by Lots of Grief. It's an inverter V.
Oh, it does all 3 units. You can tell. It does that bedroom.
Yeah,
that
because all the
bedroom,
lines run everywhere.
and the loft.
Yep. So let's
Can you
get the dater plater.
Is this just? Oh no, it's screwed on. It'll just come off.
We got the dater plater because some people give a shit. I kind of don't.
I guess you get
but-
410A.
So if you want to read that, you could pause and yay, spider webs, and things and stuff. Disconnect.
I'm sure you'll unlock this sometime soon.
I'm sure that key has been missing for years.
Yeah.
Telephone network interface, otherwise known as a network interface device. And yeah, this has been serviced recently. You can tell by the spider webs.
This actually does have a disc, but it has like a circuit board in front.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the kind where like it is a disc, but they can
Yeah.
read it.
Oh, yeah. I see it right in there.
They can read it from their truck or something. They don't have to come see the meter.
Quite possibly.
And I like that this is glass. Won't fog up over time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mine is glass, definitely.